G'day. Like all travellers, you've got to stay in contact with people at home. We were away last year, family needed to get hold of us and couldn't. So we got ourselves a Starlink. Like you all get Starlinks or similar sorts of things. But the biggest problem was, how do we protect it and look after it? We found Dishy Mount. Follow this video along, find out all about it, how good they are and how easy they are to use. But having Starlink was only half the answer. The other half of the answer, which we couldn't find, was what do we put it in? How do we mount it on the car? How do we protect it when we're using it out in the bush and out in the scrub where it could get knocked about and damaged and all that sort of stuff? So I did a lot of research, chasing around the internet trying to find what it was. And we came across a little company that was started by actually a guy called Rob. He's a farmer up in New South Wales. Right, so after all of that research, our choice was Dishy Mount. It's the only one that we could find that had the right price. It was a good price. It was around about $200 for the thing. And the accessories are really cheap. They're about a quarter of the price of the stuff that Starlink want to sell you, and just as good. That is the Dishy Mount itself. The Starlink goes in that, and that's a protective cover that goes on the top. So there you have it, Dishy Mount. They've got all the accessories that you need. The cover, this one here, that I showed you just before, we picked a grey one because it matches the car, but they've got about half a dozen or more colours that you can get it in with these, all this is different colours. They are as tough as all get out, tougher than your van, tougher than your car. You can almost run over the thing and it'll still work afterwards. If you need to get hold of one of these sort of things and all the accessories there, talk to Rob at Dishy Mounts, dishymounts.com.au. He'll look after you and you won't be disappointed with the stuff that you end up getting from him. It is brilliant. Now, not only did we buy the thing, we actually took it on 2 months travelling around out back South Australia and down on the peninsulas to test it out to make sure that it did work. And it got through searing heat, it got through storms, dust, it got through all that sort of stuff, rough ground all over the place, and it performed beautifully inside the Dishy Mount. We've got no qualms at all about recommending this thing. If you really need something that's going to be tough and it's going to look after your little Starlink, Dishy Mount's the way to go. So there you have it, Starlink mounted inside the Dishy Mount, got the handle as we talked about before. There's your 4 magnetic mounts with the rubber protectors on it so you can put it on the car and won't damage your car, and you can carry it around. And as we said before, if I find it, there it is, there's the Allen key. That way you can take the Starlink out, clean it, get any of the dust and muck that's in there out, and it fits in there so you don't lose it. Really good little idea.